Please come in. And then, Your Excellency.
I will give them at the end.
Please.
Thank you. Where do you want me?
Right over here. Your Excellency, thank you for taking the time to come and visit us in Fiji.
Thank you for inviting us for this meeting, because you have to be a very busy man. And,
Well, I'm not very busy. You are the priority here.
The European Union has been
European
keeping the
Union.
Prime Minister busy the last few weeks.
Yes, but it's been very exciting. I like that. I
Yeah.
enjoyed that. Especially the week that we had those meetings.
Yeah, the Parliamentary Assembly. And
yeah. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. There's the way out. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I am Pim Verballekom, Vice President of the European Investment Bank. Part of my responsibilities is investment operations here in the Pacific. And that is one of the reasons why I'm here. The bank is very much looking forward to invest in Fiji. And we discussed several investment opportunities yesterday with the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport, today with the Prime Minister, and this afternoon with the Minister of Finance. And then we'll back in the market in Fiji, and we are very happy about that. Why in Fiji? We are having a mandate from our shareholders, the 28 member states of the European Union. And part of the mandate is investing in the Pacific. Fiji is part of the Pacific and a very promising investment climate. The economy is doing well, so we always as a bank are dependent on investment conditions, and if they are improving, then it's better to do business here. He was very positive. We had a very friendly and a meeting. He is looking forward to our activities. The government is now working on a development plan, and we hope that this insight will also give more opportunities for us to invest in the country.